I bet there's some great compilations on the internet of just Heely fails.
Oh yeah, we are going to be adding to that list today.
This is my all-time favorite video.
When Gabe asks you randomly during the week what size shoe you are, ignore it.
I should have said
I
wore a size 19 or something.
That's true. Here we are,
Did they make
Heely Olympics! You know they give me anything other than
Fire!
Ooh, which
Same.
wins,
I got the Andy rocks,
Dude, those are fire!
Those are smooth, brother.
Warning, by peeling this sticker off, you acknowledge the risks inherent in the use of Heely's and that you will abide by and cause all users of these Heely's to abide by the safety precautions in the user manual and on our website. I'm not taking the sticker off.
That. Why? They set me up for failure.
I didn't agree to this. These are like 1993 DC shoes.
I was just.
brother? Remember to take out the shoe burritos.
You guys would not believe how hard it is to find Heelys in adult sizes.
They don't have size 19,
Shocker.
Gabe?
I'm not adult
You'd be
size.
surprised that this size 10 feels like a size 9.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at you go.
I can't believe people used to wear these everywhere. I don't feel like walking today, Mom.
I don't know how to Heely, so I'm definitely not winning this Olympics.
Not with that attitude.
Weird, the difference in age and the knowledge of Heelys. It coincides with each other somehow.
I bet there's some great compilations on the internet of just Heely fails.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Carlos, yours
Really
are
fly.
absolutely fire.
Literally, they're on fire.
If you don't like that color, you can rock these ones. I'll wear those.
Those are way smaller though.
You don't know that.
I haven't done this in a while. Oh, hey, I'm hovering too.
Should go drop in, Carlos. Uzi, I didn't end up getting that pair for you because they were really expensive.
I wanted the American flag.
I know.
I remember trying Heely's like 20 years ago and just eating it.
Wow.
Let's go, Aaron. Show them how it's done.
I don't know how.
Just think it's like a manual on wheels.
On the heels. This is so funny.
I can't.
You're the manual
I
master.
know. I'm manual, not Heely. First video of the day ruined my life.
Yeah, there you go.
Know what they should do?
Oh,
I'm out. I was gonna say they should just put the wheels on both sides.
yeah.
All right, let's go. What are the events?
The first event, starting at that line right there, is the longest heel ride.
I'm definitely winning
So you
that.
start at the wall, run as fast as you can. 3 tries to do your longest
Out the door?
wherever you go.
How are you going to calculate it?
Maybe we go the line
Go
earlier.
outside.
I just don't have much faith in these guys.
You're tripping. This is the easiest thing.
Okay, good. We got the first event. I'm definitely not gonna win that one.
So easy, like we're
I thought the bearings were gonna suck.
Okay, fine. We can do it outside.
Now all it comes down to is who can run the fastest in the shortest amount of time.
We'll give it 2 tries. Okay, you guys ready? Wow, the most amazing
I
display of
didn't
healing.
pop, so I get a rebate, right? I can't do it.
All right, Dan, we're measuring on front foot. All right, Nigel, you want to go next? There you go.
I can go forever, Mom. All right, I won't.
That was graceful.
It was.
Hey!
It's the red, man. I'm heat. It's fire. Oh, I'm taking it to the end. Almost there.
That was impressive. Whoa! He's off to the races! I think Fetty hit the max.
You know, I knew I should have ran faster.
All right, Uzi, you ready?
Okay, so I've never worn Heely's, and I've had them on for about 45 seconds, and I've rolled a couple times. I guess I'm ready. Should I just try to go fast?
Yeah. Oh, back there. It was better than Aaron's. Try number 2, Uzi.
Oh, right now?
You can take it home.
Yeah, I've got the hang of it now. I've been healing for 2 minutes.
Wow.
I think I'm running out of speed.
Pull me. That was a lot better.
I got close to somebody. So
Massive improvement. All right, Nigel, you ready? Wow! Wow! Hit the max. Hit the max.
Where's my fidget spinner? That's what I need.
Oh. Oh. That's pretty easy. You know, I vastly underestimated the length that these things would roll. That's amazing. Well done.
Thank you, brother.
Speedy Gonzalez right now, dude. Ah! I knew it. Ow. That's a good way to start the day.
Dude, did that happen to your pants just now?
Just right now.
No, that was worse than the dumpster fall. Full send it, they said. Just full send, Aaron.
That's my favorite pair of pants, dude. Oh, that sucked.
Absolutely, positively bodied. Some just went like this.
Carlos.
Straight.
Carlos.
Carlos
Oh my
falls
God.
in the
See,
woods.
look.
Can you hear him?
Buy this shirt.
Yes.
It's slide resistant.
Okay, hold on. Who's last place?
You.
No, but second to me. Where do I need a beat to not be last?
How far did I make it, Dan? 1 foot?
Your face hit the ground right here.
Alright, well, that's my second try.
So Aaron is gonna do his last one right now, but Fetty doesn't have to go again. He already finished it. He maxed out his score. Fetty and Nigel made it all the way to the bottom of the ramp.
Overachievers. I feel like I learned it. I feel like you need to just stand. One leg needs to be forward.
Yeah.
Makes no sense.
Heels drag.
Healing made simple. The easiest way tutorial.
Better than your first one.
It's true.
Very proud.
Hey, at least the colors match.
Event number 2, Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1.
I knew it.
Wearing the Heely's.
Let's go.
Ollie front 180, back 180, shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip, wearing the Heely's. All right, Aaron, you're up first.
Wait, maybe I should go last.
On the first pop. Uh-oh, doesn't count.
Too much pop in the Heelys.
Good. Oh, you got that. Wow. Woo! That was the best Heely flip I've ever seen.
Got him.
Good.
Wow, that's actually a lot harder.
33.53 seconds. Incredible. Fetty! What are you doing up there? Oh, he's looking for the other pair of Heelys.
Whoa!
Keep going. Dude, you guys are crushing this challenge, man. That's crazy. 26.16.
Wow.
I'm surprised I did the front shove, to be honest.
Yeah.
All right, Carlos. 20 seconds, 19 milliseconds. He took it down. I don't think Uzi's gonna be able to do it. All right, Uzi, you ready?
40.
On the first pop. You got 41.74.
Am I last in this
yes,
one
you
as
are.
well? Man, I need to stop going first so I know what other people are doing and I can do it.
I have to dominate these next two.
This next event could be the most dangerous one. The highest Heely wall ride.
Well, I can't even.
No,
Heely on
no,
flat.
here's the catch, here's the catch. You don't have to Heely on the wall. You have to run, get as much speed as you can, run up the wall to the highest point, and as soon as the flat ground comes, you roll away on the Heelys.
Oh, wow.
And we're gonna be judging you based on how high you can run on it, and then roll away successfully. You get it?
Define successful roll away.
You guys can get a few test runs going if you want to.
The highest point that your feet reach, huh?
Oh my God, no!
The highest point.
That was my first.
I think he made it.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
This is my all-time favorite video.
Hey, just crawl it out. First you, now Aaron. Are you good, dude?
Oh, no.
He went all of 2 feet on the wall and fell like he came down from 15 feet. I'm sorry, I feel so bad.
I tried to heal you up. I think I rolled away though.
It's like this?
Yes, exactly. Dan, you're judging this. You better be harsh. Okay. All right, whoever wants to go first. Please be careful, though. Please be careful. How'd that even happen?
Oh my God, guys, don't do it!
Let's get it, Fetty. Wow, that was legit. I've never seen Fetty go in with such confidence in anything he's ever done.
That's so dangerous, dude.
Wait, Uzi. Wait, what is he doing?
It's Christmas in July!
What are you doing? That does not count. All right, Aaron, you gonna go try 2? First place, for sure.
It's good, it wasn't far, but it was
Dan,
good.
I wish you could have seen him fall, dude. He float. I'll count it. Wow.
Why is Fetty like so good at that?
I'm good.
I didn't mean to land on the wheels if I was gonna die.
Should we call it there, or do you want to go one more? We gotta go one more. Wait, oh no. Watch out, coming through.
Can I say something? Ow.
Bungee cord Heely's.
No.
Yeah.
Fetty, Nigel,
Yeah, that's
let me
fair.
go, Carlos, Uzi, Aaron.
Aaron, you beat Uzi! And for the 4th and final event, possibly the most dangerous one of them all, there's
That's
a
what you say about
freaking
everyone.
spider web on
told
my
you.
camera. This is gonna be a 5 going at the same time race.
Rules, brother.
Rules. You have to Heely, unless there's like an obstacle. So let me just run you guys through. So you're gonna start at the garage. If it's flat, you have to be Heelying. That is the rule. You're gonna start out there. You're gonna Heely all the way over to the 5 stair. Run up the 5 stair. You're gonna go all the way around here. Heely down here. Or just run it, up here. Heely, down the 3. Then you're gonna bank a hard left. Heeling all the way over here. Touch the wall ride. Boom. Turn around. Run this way. Hurdle jump over the mini ramp. Down here, get the flat, and then all you have to do is make it back to the starting line at the garage. We're going all at the same time. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! You can get speed, you can get speed. What a finish! First place.
Took everything out of me I had.
Fetty very narrowly won. So the winner is Fetty. Second place, Nigel Ryan Jones. Third place, Carlos Lastra. Well done.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We'll see you in the next video.